Good day, sir. I am Oliver N. Alvarez, and our topic is transmitting and receiving SOS via Morse Light, call regs, Annex 4, and ICS. First, regulatory basis. Call regs, international regulations for preventing collisions at sea, Annex 4. Defines distress signals recognized internationally and specifies the Morse light signal for distress is SOS, transmitted as prescribed in the International Code of Signals ICS. International Code of Signal standardizes the Morse code sequence timing and meaning of SOS as the universal distress signal indicating I am in distress and require assistance.
Good day, sir. My name is Martin Pamor. I am reporting number 2, Morse code structure of SOS. SOS is transmitted as 3 distinct symbols with fixed timing rules. Letter S, 3 short flashes, each flashes short duration 1 second. Letter O, 3 long flashes, each flash long duration 3 seconds, 3 times the short flashes. Letter S, 3 short flashes. Spacing rules between flashes of the same letter 1 second gap between letters S, O, S, 3 second gap between fall SOS, repetition 7 second gap, repetition transmitted continuously or at regular intervals, unit response or assistant arrivals, repetition make the signal distinct from others Morse message.
Number 3. Transmission method. Call regs, ICS requirements. Equipment. Use a bright directional light source, signal lamp, searchlight, torch. Visible day or night must be capable of producing clear, short, or long flashes. Procedure. Aim the light towards vessel, aircraft, or coastal station within range. Transmit the full SOS Morse sequence exactly as following standard timing. Repeat the sequence continuously or at short intervals. Call regs Annex 4 note. These signals is only used in grave and imminent danger. Improper use is prohibited by international law.
Number 4, repetition and response procedure. Recognition. Identify the characteristic rhythmic 3 short, 3 long, 3 short. This pattern is unique to SOS as easily distinguishable from other signal. Confirm it matches the ICS definition and call regs Annex for the distress signal list. Action. Upon receive, acknowledge immediately, transmit the Morse letter R, meaning your signals received and understood, or use other recognized acknowledgement signals. Record time, position of sender, signal details, and any additions information received. Comply with SOLAS and call regs obligation. Proceed to assist. Notify rescue coordination centers, RCC, or alert neighbor vessels authorized as required. Maintain continuous watch on the frequency visual channel unit. The distress situation is resolved Number 5. Keynotes. Colregs Annex 4 lists SOS lights or sound as one of the official distress signals, equals in status to Nurse Radio Distress Alerts or flags. ICC clarifies that SOS has no alternative meaning. It exclusively denotes distress, required help.